Oh, I forgot my hat. Don't laugh at my pants. So I had a whole script for this video written out, but it was so much footage over 2 days and I was getting so confused with this whole bait that it was even hard to edit into a video that made sense without the video being 20 minutes long. So I'm gonna choose to not cut in and talk so much on this one to save time. Just understand that if you're confused while watching this, I was also confused doing this bait. 4 different scammers were calling me at the same time from different phone numbers with their own scripts, and I was struggling to keep up. I'm only one person, but I had fun baiting each one with their own storyline. Once again, I'm not putting a sponsorship on this video. I just like making content for you. And if you want to see these calls happen live, subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Twitch to catch the live streams. Now that all that's out of the way, enjoy the video.
Yes, you have won $18 million from our company that is supposed to deliver to you to your address, okay?
I'm sorry, did I say that again?
It's the sweepstakes. It contained a total of $18 million that you have won. $18 million along with a car.
18 million?
Yes, that's what you have won from our company,
Lord
okay?
Jesus, there's no way. There's no way I just won $18 million.
In order for us to deliver this money to you to your address, you will have to pay for a shipping and handling fee, okay?
How much is the shipping and handling?
The shipping is just a total of $500, and that will be refundable back to you. But money will not be your problem. You will be having enough money to do whatever you want to do for the rest of your life, okay?
Absolutely. If I got $18 million, I don't care about 500.
Money is not your problem, okay, sweetie?
Right.
You will be having no form of money problem.
Right. So how do I do the 500?
You can be able to get a gift card. Do you know what is a gift card?
In my ladies' class at church, we've been told about gift cards, and we don't do that.
Oh, if you don't do gift cards, you could send our company.
Can I write a check?
Yes, you will have to write a check, but you will have to take it to the UPS or the FedEx.
That's fine. I can do that.
It would be for $1,900 because that is the reason why they do gift cards, because gift card would let it affordable for you. It would be just $500 and you'll be having your card. But if it's a check, it would take too much time and it would be too long for it to be cash. Can you be able to take it to the UPS or the FedEx? Don't you know a UPS store or a FedEx location?
I do know UPS and FedEx.
Can you be able to get a cashier's check?
I can do a cashier. I can get that from the bank.
The company is saying, can you be able to do this today? All right, listen, let me get the information. Let me get the name that you will get the cashier's check under and call you back, okay?
All right, bye-bye.
In a brand new G-Class Mercedes-Benz and also $10,000 weekly cash for life.
You have the most beautiful voice.
I do understand. Thank you very much. My name
It's
is
so
David
calming.
Brown.
I feel like I could take a nap right now with you on the phone. Just read a book to me and I'll go to sleep.
I do understand, but I have to get my job done. You do understand.
Tonight, call me about 8 o'clock tonight so I can go to sleep. Does Steve Harvey still do what you're doing?
Right. Some of the time he can't make it because he has other stuff to deal with, but this one, hopefully he will be there to be taking pictures with you as well, okay?
I love me some Steve Harvey. If he comes to the house, I will be so happy. I'll be happy for you too. But if Steve Harvey comes with you, don't be mad if I only talk to him.
I won't be mad because I'll be the one that will be communicating with you from now on until your prize package delivery day.
Never mind. I'll talk to Steve later.
Yes, go ahead.
I'll talk to Steve Harvey later.
I have no problem if you speak with him, okay?
Could I talk to him?
Yes. Did you do that check yesterday?
It's it's not here, so it must be at the post office.
I told you to go to the UPS. Did you go to the UPS or did you go to
It
the...
must be at UPS.
Do you remember the address?
What is this 1900 for?
The 1900 is for to clear up your registration for your $18 million. Have you sent the $1,900? Have you sent it to that address?
It's on the way. If I mailed it yesterday, it'll take maybe until Monday to get there.
Oh, you already mailed it yesterday?
I did. If it's not in my checkbook, it's in the mail.
Can you be able to go to the store today?
What store do I need to go to?
So either the CVS or the 7-Eleven.
And I'm getting a
Do you have
card.
the CVS? We are trying to make your delivery be tomorrow. And if you don't get the card, it would be harder for you to have your delivery tomorrow because the card would pay it off instant.
If I don't know you, I can't do a gift card.
Remember, sweetie, this is for your own good. This is to let you have your money tomorrow. Remember that all of your church sisters and church brother, you'll be able to give them something tomorrow that they will never regret. So all you will need to do, you will just need to go to the store and get it purchased so that we can currently do this for you. And listen, don't tell anyone in the store that you have won money, okay? Tell them that this is just for a friend to pay some bills, okay? We cannot disclose to anyone that you have won, okay?
Excuse me. I need a money pack scratch card. I need one. I need $500 on the one card. Now it's a fee to pay for. I won some money, and it's just to
No,
pay
don't say that. Don't say that. No, don't say that. Listen. Don't say. I tell you not to. No.
Million.
Oh, fucking one.
I'm
Hello?
sorry.
Hello?
He's on the. Hold on. John, are you there?
Listen, you cannot tell anyone that you have won money. What stupidness you going to the store to
He
do?
wants to talk to you. Hold on.
Hello? You work for Publishers Clearinghouse?
No, listen. No, this is not Publishers Clearance House. What are you talking about?
What are you doing then?
What do you mean what I'm doing? It's a car insurance. What are you talking about?
Car
Publishers
insurance
Clearance
that you're
House?
paying with a, what you call a money pack scratch card?
Yes, because that is the easy way to pay bills and every stuff. Don't you know that you could use that to pay bills, buy food, do whatever you want to do with it?
You have a debit card, right? Yeah, you can pay for your insurance with, get this man off the phone. We're not doing this. You can go find somebody else to scam.
What are you talking about?
Why do you need the $500? Ma'am, do you have
Sir,
insurance
I
on your car
already
already?
explained
Shut
to
up,
you.
bro.
Why are you being...
Shut up. Do you have insurance on your car already? She already has insurance.
It's the car that's supposed to... Listen. What are you doing? Are you...
I'm trying to protect
Give
people.
back the lady his
I'm trying to
phone.
protect this. You act like we don't see this all the time.
Listen, give back the lady his phone.
Okay.
Give back... Listen.
Ma'am, we're not doing it. You can go somewhere else.
That was embarrassing.
Why did I tell you not to tell anyone that you have won? Don't tell anyone that you have won any form of money. Why should you go ahead and tell person that you have won? Why don't you listen to me? You don't tell anyone that you have won.
To you, but the man said this is a scam. He's seen it before.
Listen, I will send you to a different store. Try to go to the Dollar General
Send me some
the...
money first. How about that?
Excuse me?
Send me some money first, and then I'll pay it.
All right, go home. Go home then. If you because you... Yes, I understand. But listen, you doesn't supposed to tell anyone that you have won. Why did you go ahead and tell the man that you have won?
Tell me that. If you told me that, I would have wrote it down in my notebook. You did not tell me not to tell nobody. That was so embarrassing. I can't believe that just happened.
Because you have tell him that you have won.
I'm
You
damn mad
I
right
tell
now. I don't believe this.
No, listen, it's on the up and up, okay? Calm down, okay?
I'm
Calm
so
down, okay?
mad
I'm here
right
with
now.
you, okay?
Cannot believe this.
I'm here.
There was a whole
Listen,
lot
just
of
calm
people
down, okay?
behind me just laughing by the
Listen
way
to
that
what the
man
guy
talked
tells
to
me.
me.
No, listen to what the guy tells me. The guy said to me that he doesn't have the cards there.
I heard
That's what
the
he tell
man
me when
said.
you're not
The
listening.
fact that
And
you would lie about the fact that you would lie to my face on the phone about what that man
No, I
said.
would
Like I
never
was
lie to
not just
you.
standing there. He did not say they did not have the cards. He said you're scamming me. That's what he said. Don't you
That's
lie to me. I heard the whole conversation. I'm not doing this. This is not worth
what the
it.
guy.
This $18
Listen.
million,
That guy is
I
wrong.
wouldn't live long enough to even
No,
spend
listen.
$1 million. I'm not doing it. It's not worth it.
No, listen. You don't have to do anything, okay? Just calm down, okay? Don't let that guy get you upset.
I already sent you $1,900. That should be enough to get the money.
Yes, they will work it out. Just go home and calm down.
Home. I passed the damn house. Damn it. Oh, I passed the house. I gotta turn around. I need to calm down.
Listen, I don't want you to be impatient on having your $18 million. Don't let person that don't have anything stop you from having what is rightfully yours. I'm telling you, this is for your own good. Why did you go ahead and do that?
You promised me you're not scamming me.
I promised you I'm not scamming you, okay? And listen, calm down and let me work this thing out, okay? You have my number so you can constantly call me. This is your delivery callback number. This number attached to your car. We need to work this thing out. So go home and as soon as you go home, you call me, all right?
Okay, this is the other guy. This is the one that sounds like he's asleep.
Where is that envelope that I told you to put the checks in those magazines? You must have that big envelope there, a big yellow
Listen to
envelope.
me. Listen. I do not have those checks. I don't have them.
How much did they charge you at FedEx?
I have dementia. I don't know. I don't know how much they charged me at FedEx. I don't even remember going to FedEx.
The company said to ask you, where did you send that money yesterday? At the UPS or the FedEx?
Where did you tell me? You told me to go to UPS. What do we need to do for me to get it?
What do you need to do for you to get it?
Yes, the 18 million.
In order for you to have the $18 million, you will just need to take care of registration fee. You will have to pay for the 1% of tax, okay?
We're just gonna act like the last 20 minutes that didn't just happen. Whatever. We're gonna run with it.
I'm still waiting on the information so you can go ahead and write those checks, okay?
All right, that's fine. Just call me when you get it.
Yeah, I'm just calling you now to let you know and just to tell you to take it easy because money will not be your problem. Your $18 million will be delivered. Do you remember how much you'll be writing these checks for?
I have my notebook right here. It's Bank of America's 20,000 and Chase's 15,000.
That's correct, okay?
Yes, I
So
have
what
that
I'll
right
do,
here.
I will call you back with the information. All you will do, you will just go ahead and do you know where is the UPS?
I do know where UPS is.
No, but you don't have to. They said, what time does your mailman get there? The mail guy.
The mailman does not run on Sundays.
No, I'm not talking about today. I'm talking about tomorrow. I know that the mail doesn't deliver on Sunday
Tomorrow
and
they'll be
Saturdays
here.
and
They're usually here at about 10 o'clock in the morning.
yes. So what the company said they want you to do, they want you to write the check and put it in the mailbox, okay? Because they will do it from there. When the mailman get it, they will inform the company. So they want you to write the check and just put it into your mailbox, okay?
All right, I'll do that. Hey, this is Alice. I tried to call you, but I can't get in touch with you. Call me back. Bye-bye. So I called FedEx, and they said that they had been trying to call me. They did an X-ray scan on the package and saw that there was something in there that was not the magazine. So they opened it up and they saw the checks. And I told them that this was for winning a sweepstakes, and they said you're a scammer.
Could you please provide me with the FedEx number that you have?
The phone number?
Right, FedEx phone number. Please hold while I contact FedEx.
All right.
What happened? Damn it, why did he hang up though? I gave him my other number.
I don't know what's going on. Why would FedEx scan those packages? I'm trying to call and I'm not getting FedEx.
Well, who did you get?
I spoke to no one. It went to voicemail.
I don't like this. I'm getting mad. You don't want to see me when I'm mad.
As I said to you before, go collect back those checks and head on home, and then I'll give you a call tomorrow.
How about you just don't call me tomorrow?
You're going to give me a call tomorrow.
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, your prize will be canceled.
That's fine. You take it. You sound like you could use it.
You said something I didn't hear a while ago.
I said you can have it. You sound like you could use it.
Listen, I'm working here right now. I don't have time for this. Give me a call tomorrow.
No, I'm fine.
Hello?
Hi.
And who is this?
This is Alice Margot. I had a missed call, and I'm just trying to get some information.
Okay, that was to notify you that you're a winner here at our company for $10 million. And how are you feeling?
You said 10 million.
10 million.
Oh my word. Who is this?
Okay, this is Mr. Dave Cooper from, that's the Golden Harvest Sweepstakes.
Why are you changing your voice?
I'm not changing my voice, sweetie. I'm kind of sick right now. So you have to just understand.
Oh, me too. I just got over COVID. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little better today.
That's good, sweetheart. Take
So
care
where are
of
you at this
yourself.
time? Of course, make sure you do too, as the same. So
Right.
where are you at this
Bye-bye.
time? So you don't want to receive your money?
Well, I need money. I have dementia, so I don't remember a whole lot.
I understand. And do you have an account where you could make this deposit in of $10,000 first?
I do have an account at Bank of America.
So I said you're gonna be paying an outstanding balance of $7,500 to be receiving what's rightfully yours. And is that a problem?
No, that's no problem. You said 7,500.
That's correct.
I'm confused about this one. I'm confused. I'm skeptical about that one. Let me turn this down. So another scammer just called me, and I don't know who this one is. I have not seen this phone number yet. Now another one's calling me. 3 scammers are calling me at the same time. Okay, they're blowing my phone up right now. 3 scammers are literally blowing my phone up. I may have to move this over to another phone number.